Loved it. It was an absolutely fantastic evening.
I don't know if it'd be loud enough, but yeah.
Sorry, do you want me to talk louder?
Yeah, please.
Absolutely fantastic evening.
And would you come again to see Patricia?
100%.
Brilliant. And did you find you had proof?
Definitely 100%.
And you can validate it all now as well?
Yes, I can.
And would you come again to another event?
I would come another event, and I would also like a personal reading as well.
Thank you. And you're pleased with Patricia's messages?
Yes.
Oh, thank 100%. You ever so much. That means so much to me. Cheers. There you are.
Patricia Bevan, passed me on. I thought this meeting was amazing. I've been to a few before, and the person I wanted to come through never had come through before. And when I asked Patricia about this person, he came through, and it's made my day, to be honest. It's really good, and thank you very much.
Again, sorry.
Did you enjoy the evening with Patricia Bevan?
I did very much.
And did you have proof for your reading?
Yes, everything that you said.
And you were pleased. And would you come to the event again?
Yes, and I pay double.
Oh, bless. Oh, love you.
I said I pay double.
Oh, thank you ever so much.
I'm really thrilled when I read it.
And you got the proof, the genuine
Everything,
proof.
everything.
Oh, and how would you feel going home tonight now? How do you feel?
You give me a lot to think about.
Oh, bless.
You did.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The spirit world did. Yeah?
Yes.
The spirit world. Oh, thank you ever so much. And you both enjoyed it?
Oh, thoroughly enjoyed it. Yeah.
So did you enjoy the evening tonight with Patricia and Bevan from Past and Beyond?
Yes.
And did you have a reading? A message?
Yes.
And what did you think of your message?
It was amazing. Oh my God, it touched my heart. I couldn't believe it, to be honest with you. The stuff that came through was spot on.
So you could validate everything?
Every single thing that came through.
And would you come again?
100%, 100%.
Oh, thank you.
We come last year, didn't we? Yeah. It was amazing.
Had you ever heard of Past and Beyond in Newport?
We come last year, but if not, no.
Ah, right. Okay, I'm going to go along the line. And did you enjoy tonight as well?
Amazing, amazing. Everything you said was spot on, definitely.
Would you say what the spirit said? I always say myself is just a channel, like the operator, but you had proof as well?
All proof, yeah, proof.
My washing machine.
A shoulder.
My washing machine. Yeah, my ex-Brian, he's in prison. I'm scared about him coming out to me, and that's exactly what you said.
I got skin problems. You said about rubbing skin. Amazing.
Every name I didn't know you. Every name you come through was exactly right.
Yeah, amazing.
Spot on,
Don't
100%.
forget, mind, last year you come, and then when Grandad came through, but you were too scared to come up and stand up.
Yes.
But
This
this
year,
year,
last year, they wouldn't stand up.
Because you kept saying Peggy, and she wouldn't stand up. We were saying stand up, and she
I
wouldn't do
was
it.
fighting on that.
But you kept saying Peggy, and then after a while, then you went on to someone else, and it was a different name.
Right.
Yeah, no, she was too scared to stand up and say, yeah.
How do you feel leaving here tonight now?
Oh, I believed anyway, because I've heard of people's readings and stuff, they've recorded them on their phone. And I've heard some of the stuff, and I've been like, oh my God, they couldn't have known that. Well, yeah, when it did it to me.
and it was mad because Nan
No, leaving
didn't.
tonight,
But
I want a private reading.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
I don't want one of you. I want a private reading that it's just me, you.
Do you find this work have uplifted you?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
But it was just so mad how Nan didn't see you for so many months, and she come out with all these stuff that she hadn't seen you.
To be honest, she was laughing about the hair, and I think it was that. She never seen me. Like, I've had it done for years, but I wasn't close to her, so she never really seen it.
Yeah,
It was like I stood up at all times. I mean, it was.
Because I will say,
my nan's all
I
the
will
time.
say this one didn't believe.
Oh, brilliant.
She was
And
sceptical.
And
now
now
I
it's
do.
brilliant.
Believe.
I too now.
Yes.
Amazing,
And
amazing.
How will you two leave tonight? Feeling uplifted or?
a bit scared. Like,
No,
because
Jen, you can't feel scared because it's the loved ones that's coming.
I know, but it's like just so mad how
Yeah, she knows those
it actually come through when like she didn't know half the stuff
And
she
you
said
think, oh my
about
God,
you.
they're around you.
Yeah.
Look, you know, with the spag
Come on. That's
She
something
wasn't
else.
bringing that up.
Baffled me, I cried my eyes out.
Thank you ever so much, all of you, and I'm just so glad you enjoyed it.
Oh, we'll be coming next time.
Definitely.
Oh yeah, next time.
Thank